Hi, my name is Kiran and welcome to Let's Grow Together. So, if you are new to the word minimalism or you have heard about it but don't know where to start from, I am here to help you out and I'm glad that I can share my knowledge with you about minimalism. Minimalism basically is to simplify your life down to essential. It doesn't mean that you should have less. It just means that you should have things which serves you well, which are so essential for you. Most of us have things in our homes that we haven't used from past 1 or 2 years and are still there. These things are cluttering your living space and mine too. Why are you holding on to the things that you need to let go of? It can be your relationships, your bad relationships, or too much stuff, or too much clothes, or too much books which you don't use anymore. Donate them. Take a look around. These things are right there in your home collecting dust. So minimalism is to choose the lifestyle of simplicity. It is about removing all the things from your life which are not essential and just keep the things which brings joy in your life. You can apply minimalism to any part of your life, but committing it to a minimalist wardrobe is the easiest place to start. We have a full closet yet nothing to wear because these are not the things we love, these are the things we liked at some point of time. We should invest in things that we love instead of accumulating things we like. You may love all your books, but isn't love all about sharing? Think of forwarding good books as an act of love. Identify your favorite books and keep them, and for the rest, organize them and pass them to other people. Removing books you have already read makes room for books you have yet to read. So, everything that we arrange in our lives should support our life, should enhance our life, and we shouldn't get trapped into the concept of things around us. Goods are not always good, but we have replaced beauty with what money can buy, but true beauty is in simplicity, and in simplicity lies true happiness and joy. So I am naturally drawn towards the lifestyle of minimalism and it helped me a lot and I am sharing it with you all the benefits of minimalism. So by conscious arrangements you will have space for the things that matters most for you, that serves you well, that brings you joy and so you will find yourself more self-confident, not because of what you own, just because of who you are. So minimalism is just a journey and to slow down your life. So, when you will start living a simpler and meaningful life, and you won't compare yourself with others, your relationship will be better with others. So, great relationships are not built on competitions but on shared experiences and great memories. So, minimalism is a constant journey of being aware and taking small steps and break to allow yourself to be slow. Money is as valuable as we choose to spend it on. when you buy something new, you should be conscious about your purchases. The less we consume and buy, the less we harm the environment. Own less clutter and you will find things quicker and you won't be the slave of your own possessions. A good life is attained through a goods life is totally wrong. So if you want to be a minimalist or you want to design a simple life for yourself, start here right now with more of what you love and less of what you don't.